The Hiccup Lollipop? Let's see what it tastes like. Is that a free lollipop down on the floor? Yes, I did it after I ate a Hiccup Lollipop. Can I have it? Sure you may. Go right ahead. Thank you. It tastes like blue raspberry. Anybody else want a lollipop? Me too. It tastes like strawberries. Come and get some lollipops after I hiccup. Me three. It tastes like root beer. Me fourth. It tastes like lemon lime. Gosh, I need to stop hiccuping. Can someone scare me? Ah! Clown face, you scared me to death.
I sure did.
Ugh, all my hiccups are gone.
May I have a lollipop? It's my favorite.
Certainly, I've got a lollipop right here in my pocket. No lollipops for you!